To Doc Mel and my fellow plastic patrollers, mayong adlaw kanatong tanan. I am Rain, one of the founding members and mobilizers of Plastic Patrol, hence an OG Plastic Patroller myself, along with John, Gerard, Ken, Louie, and Roxy. In this short video, I am going to present my self-reflection on our term project. So moving forward, I will reflect on the description of the tasks assigned as a member of the group and what aspects would I change or improve if I'll be given the chance to re-implement our term project. As a member of Plastic Patrol, I have been involved in several key tasks contributing to our collective efforts. The first task I have done is to participate in the brainstorming session and determine which specific SDGs we're going to center our campaign on. I'd like to say that John has always been our unofficial but obliging and effective anchor and leader to this endeavor. He would always set the succeeding meetings, reminded us of the schedule, and make sure everything's on track. Second is naming the group and the birth of Plastic Patrol. I proposed various names for the group, ultimately leading to the birth of Plastic Patrol. It was fulfilling to see the team unite behind one of my suggestions. Third is the regular collaboration and progress updates. Collaborating closely with my teammates, we held weekly meetings to share progress updates. Despite our different work schedules, we managed to find a common time thanks to John's flexible scheduling. Being part of every meeting we have set weekly ensured cohesion within the team. Fourth is for the SOCMAR and SOCMA plan. The team was divided into two, with I, Roxy, and Ken in the first part of the plan, and then John, Louie, and Gerard on the second part. Working alongside Roxy and Ken, I contributed to the overview and situation analysis, focusing on target audiences, including segmentation and factors influencing behavior adoption. The collaboration with such diligent and dedicated women was enriching, ensuring the timely submission of our respective assignments. My fifth task is to generate social media content. So I generated content for Facebook and Instagram, including hashtag Vida Plastic Patroller Batch 2, which is a reel, SDGs number 12 and number 14, which is a carousel post, and general post, which is a spotlight article. Of course, meeting these content deadlines was a collective effort of the team, ensuring our campaign's online presence remains strong in 3 weeks span. So, my final task was to report on the monitoring phase of the Plastic Patrol campaign. I collaborated closely with John here. He who diligently tracked our weekly progress through Meta Business Suite. So I just ensured that the report was comprehensive and ready. So I submitted it early for team review. Now, reimagining the term project, first and foremost, I would like to highlight that time and other commitments were our major roadblocks here. But if we were to devote ourselves full time into this endeavor, here are the insights I'd like to share. First, I believe we can prioritize incorporating feedback loops to refine our work continuously. This could involve implementing peer review sessions to gather input and improve the quality of our content across all social media platforms and the specific sections of our plan. Second, uh, we can conduct regular data analysis sessions, preferably weekly. We haven't discussed in depth how we'll evaluate the weekly data reports from Facebook. I think it would be beneficial to include this as a regular agenda item in our weekly meetings. This way, we can collectively assess our performance on social media in real time and, of course, brainstorm strategies to address any content gaps or deviations from our target goals. Lastly, we can focus on managing one social media platform initially, preferably Facebook. We can also leverage features such as Facebook Stories to ensure our content remains visible to our audience. This way, even if someone misses a post in their feed, they'll see our story at the top, maximizing our reach and engagement. So, those are my takeaways from the experience. So, my final words would be to Gerard, John, Ken, Louie, and Roxy. Daghan kaayong salamat. Being part of this Plastic Patrol has been an incredible learning experience for me, and I feel truly fortunate to have been part of it and to have worked with all of you brilliant groupmates and friends. Once again, I am Rain and I am a forever proud Plastic Patroller. Daghang salamat.